Good morning. So now I am going to tell very important concept of grammar, English grammar. What is an irrigative verb? An irrigative verb is a verb which can either be written as transitive and or it can also be written as intransitive. For example, I do a work. The sentence is here. I do a work. Do is the verb. A work is object. So it is transitive verb. When I tell I do, I is subject. Do is verb. So it is an intransitive verb. So the verb do is irrigative verb. It can be written as transitive and it can be written as intransitive. Thank you very much.